So with this technology, not only can you just take a 3D drawing, put it straight into the printer and click print, there's no programming required, so you're significantly reducing engineer time. The big benefit with this technology is the nature of the materials that we can print. We're not just printing commodity plastics or engineer grade, we're actually printing hybrid exotic materials.
Behind me is the best-selling Stratasys 3D printer from SYS, and we're here at the Car Fulham Group. Chris, why is this machine so popular?
So this is a Fortus 450. So this is using engineer grade thermoplastic materials and extruding it through a tip. The big benefit with this technology is the nature of the materials that we can print. We're not just printing commodity plastics or engineer grade, we're actually printing hybrid exotic materials. This here is a nylon 12 with 35% chopped carbon fibre, being the highest filled nylon material from any FDM technology, allowing it to replace metal parts.
Replacing metal parts, so this is why so many engineers have invested in this technology.
Yes, so what this allows them to do is it allows them to replace their metal work holding, so whether that's for the milling or the lathes, but then also for secondary ops as well, the likes of soft jaws. It allows them to print this as opposed to relying on their production machinery, which is obviously wanting to keep their spindles turning to allow them to earn money. We're replacing that capability with 3D printing.
And adding to that, you've then got the unmanned run. This is print and go.
Definitely. So the big benefit with the whole process, it allows you to pre-plan. So with this technology, not only can you just take a 3D drawing, put it straight into the printer and click print, there's no programming required, so you're significantly reducing engineer time. As I said, you're not having to strip down a production machine tool to be machining a fixture that effectively you can't sell to your customers, and that's the nature of that, the benefit with this technology.
And for people who don't understand this technology, what's the process?
So the process in terms of how this works is it starts with a 3D CAD file. So 9 times out of 10 you may even get the 3D CAD file from your customer. The big benefit with 3D printing is it allows you to add complexity into your work holding and your fixturing without additional cost. That's the big benefit, whereas the more machine time is going to drive up the cost. It allows you to take a negative of your part, you can hold the part more effectively, but also because it's encased in a nylon material, it also reduces feedback, even allowing you to reduce cycle times on traditional machine components.
So you've proven this, it's out there. What is the limitations of this machine? It's an industrial 3D printer, so what makes it industrial?
So the big benefits with this technology is this is three-phase power, so it's built to be in an engineering environment. It's built for a production run, so Fortus is actually part of our production series. So not only does it allow you to print manufacturing aids, it also has the ability to print end-use production parts for low batch volume manufacturing. So we can print parts and certified materials to the likes of aerospace or rail. UL94, V0, the process is already done for you. So it's simply get the part, click print, and you can be sending them, and they can be flying in both commercial and defence industries.
I absolutely love this because also you're willing to print a part for free to prove exactly what this is capable of for a customer.
Certainly, definitely. It's what we've done in the past with customers, the likes of Swiftall Precision Engineering, who have now integrated this system in-house. We printed them a set of soft jaws and they could see the benefits, and they were saving 80% across the time and cost versus machining it from an aluminium billet in-house. So there is a significant return on investment and a quick one for these companies. But not only are we happy to print soft jaws, we can look at fixtures, tooling across the whole manufacturing process, from CMM, inspection, all the way through to assembly. We really want people to challenge us so we can show them just what the benefit this can add across the manufacturing facility, but also even unlocking additional capacity on their existing machinery.
Keeping those spindles turning, I love it. There you have it, the most popular 3D printer from Stratasys. Do contact SYS for more information. I think you're going to have a lot of people on the phones for this one.